Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Caleb, and I know I haven't posted in a long time. I'm actually moving, and so because of that I haven't been able to make anything. Let me show you guys. I've actually got my 3D printer right here in this box, packed up already. Got a box here, my sewing machine over here, some fabrics, but yeah, so there's that. And I'm not gonna be in the place that I'm moving to until October, so you're probably not gonna see a lot of videos from me. I'll try to get a couple out though, just like things that, you know, I'll try to make some videos that aren't necessarily making things but completely related to them, like maybe some tutorial videos and stuff, if you know what I mean. But the purpose of this video is, so I know the Spider-Man No Way Home trailer came out like 2 days ago, 2 or 3 days ago, and it was really, really amazing. But something that came from that was, one, all of the new villains, two, some of the new suits. So basically this video I'm going to be asking you guys which suit you guys want me to make for that movie, because I'm going to be watching it obviously when it comes out, and I'm going to need a Spider-Man suit to wear, but I'm also going to just want to make a cosplay for the movie. So I just want you guys to comment down below and follow my Instagram. I'm going to try to put up a poll asking you guys like what suit you want me to make. The one I really don't want to make though is the Tobey Maguire. Maybe I'll make the mask for it if that's the most voted, and then I'll just make the second most voted full suit. But it's just the Tobey Maguire. It's an iconic suit, but I just don't like the way that it's designed and stuff. It's like the lines come out too high. I'll pull up a picture showing exactly what I'm talking about here, maybe in the middle, I'm not sure where, but I'll show a picture. And yeah, so that's pretty much what I'm talking about, just those lines and how they're just too high and stuff. So that's just what I don't like about the suit. But so there's a couple of options for the suits that you guys might want me to make. We've got whichever one Tobey Maguire, Andrew Garfield debuts wearing, either the Tasm 2 suit or the Tasm 1 suit. So one of those, I'm leaning towards the Tasm 2 if that's the one I make, just because I think that's the one that he's going to be wearing in No Way Home, or the integrated suit that Tom Holland wears, or the suit that he uses to fight Electro, or just the suit that's in the opening sequences and the opening scenes before the whole plot starts taking place. It's pretty much just the Far From Home suit, just a little bit upgraded. Takes out the web cartridge spots where the web cartridges would go, but there's just nothing there. It's a black line, but it just takes that off. And so that's that suit. Let me pull up a picture of that suit right here. So that's the one, just the Far From Home suit, a little bit upgraded, and here is the integrated suit right here. It's basically the Iron Spider, but a little bit upgraded. I'll figure out how to do that if that's the one you guys want me to make, so that's that one. And then this is the Tasm 2 suit, which is one of my favorites. I'm kind of leaning towards the Tom Holland one, but that is one of my favorites as well. And that's this one. And then here is the suit that Tom Holland's Spider-Man is going to use to fight Electro. That's right here. It has all the circuitry and everything, so I'll have to figure something out for that. Probably just puff paint on the details, maybe get a dye sub print. I don't know yet, if that's the one you guys choose. And yeah, here's the Tasm 1 suit. I'll just pull up a picture. So that's the one. It'll be a ton of puff paint. It'll be a fun time though. So yeah, guys, just let me know which Spider-Man suit you guys want me to make for No Way Home, and when I watch it in the theater. And yeah, I might also be doing like something which web shooter you guys want me to make. Maybe, probably not, but I might. But just tell me which suit you guys want me to make for No Way Home in the comments down below, and I'll try to make an Instagram poll. And also, the other purpose for this video was give me some video ideas in the comments, and I'll try to put something up on Instagram, guys. Follow me on Instagram. It's just at calebshell_. I'll put it in the link in the description. It's in my about section. But yeah, I'll put it in the link in the description, and I'll try to put it in my banner on my YouTube channel. But yeah, it's just calebshell_, so go follow that. And yeah, so just give me some video ideas, like things you want to see me make, different cosplays. I know I wanted to make a Flash suit, a Superman suit, And then someone suggested to make a Daredevil costume. I am going to make the Daredevil costume. I just need to, I'm going to watch the series first, figure it out and stuff, and then figure out which suit I want to make exactly. But yeah, and then I wanted to make a Superman suit, if that's what you guys want me to make as well. Obviously for a different video. Just comment down below which suit. And then I wanted to make a Flash costume as well. Again, comment down below which one. And also just comment down below like just different cosplays you guys want to see me make, different props you want to see me make. And yeah, gadgets and things. Just comment down below anything you guys would like to see me make. And yeah, I'll definitely get on that. And also I'll try to put something up on my Instagram. It's calebshellyt_ again. Go follow that. I'll try to put something there asking you guys for some video ideas. But yeah, that's pretty much just the purpose of this video. So go in the comments down below. Tell me which Spider-Man suit you want me to make for No Way Home. And yeah, just smash that like button. Subscribe to my channel for future uploads. Again, like I said, I'm moving. So until October, there is going to be a slight decline in my content that I'm going to be uploading, but that's okay. Once I get over there where I'm moving to, it'll jump up and I'll try to start ramping out a video every single week like I used to do. Again, yeah, that's just why it declined. And yeah, turn on post notifications and follow me on Instagram. Yeah, you guys take it easy.